3, 2, and 1. Slowly melt down. Nice and easy with control. Go for 8. Good. Exhale down. Now from there, exhale, press down for 1. Nice. Go for 2. Inhaling, bend. Exhale, let's press. Nice. Go for 3. Inhaling. Good. Exhale, press down. Go for 4. Inhaling. Exhale, you're halfway there. Inhaling up for 3, 2, and 1. Bring it. Slowly come back. Inhaling. Last one. Exhale, press down. Squeeze the circle. And come back. Now I want you to inhaling up. Ang pula na niya. Exhale down for 7. Inhaling. Good. Last one. Inhaling up. Good. Last year's 5. Good. Go for 6. Bumibilis tayo. I cannot. Last. Exhale. Dribble top and crunch. Good. Down for 3. Exhale. Good. Down for 4. Exhale. Crunch up. Good. Down for 5. Inhaling. Stand up straight. Good job. Exhale down for 2. Good. Inhaling as you return. Perfect. Exhale down for 3. Slowly come back. Inhaling. Good job. Exhale down for 4. Good. Inhaling as you return. Last 2. Exhale down for 5. Perfection. Come back. Inhaling. Get ready to stay. You're staying there. Press more. Press more. Okay, we're going back. It's okay. Okay lang naman bumalik. Okay. Okay, press down. Exhaling. Chest out and look straight. Press more. Good. Stay there. 5. Good. 4. Deep breath. Pag ganyan ang deep po, come back. Inhaling. Pag dulo ayaw mo. Exhale. Go for 2. Nice. Inhaling as you return. Exhale down for 3. Perfect. Come back. Inhaling. Exhale down for 4. Good. Inhaling is your return. Exhale, pressing for 5. Nice. Slowly come back. Inhaling. Get ready to sway. Exhale down for 6. More pa. Press. Press. Good. Stay there. 5. Deep breaths. 4. Chest out. 3, 2, and 1. Good. 4, 3, 2, and down. Arch your back. Sige, arch. Sige, tingnan mo yung pagka-arch mo. Yan. Come back and heal. Parang siyang stretch. Round your back. Exhale. Go for 2. Arch your back na. Nice. Come back and heal. Round your back. Scoop your belly. Chin to chest. Exhale. Press for 3 and then arch. Slowly come back and healing. Last one, exhale down for 6 and you're staying there. Deep breaths and stay there for 5. Good. Slowly come back and heal. Now, perfect. Exhale down for 2. Good.